these words have something in common. They each have a prefix. These prefixes are special because they each stand for a number. You probably already know some of them, but a few of them might be new to you. The prefixes on these words are mono, bi, tri, quor, and pent. Okay? Now, the thing with number prefixes like this is that you don't always have a root word left after it's over. Like, ter is not a word, right?
No.
But the quor tells us something about a quarter. So, what numbers do you guys know that these are? You guys know any of them? Jaden, what do you know?
Pentagon.
Pentagon, what number does pent mean? Should I come back to you? Okay. Tate, which one of these do you know the number for?
Bicycle.
Okay, bicycle, so what does bi mean? Think about what's different between a bicycle and a tricycle.
One has training wheels and one does not.
No, not training wheels.
Tricycle is littler than the bicycle? No, the tricycle has 3 wheels and the bicycle has 2.
Okay, so bi
Means 2.
means 2.
And
Tri
means 3.
means 3.
Quart means 4.
Quor means 4. There's another, why am I using my finger right now? What's wrong with me? Quor, or you also might see quad.
Yeah.
Like a quadrigraph that has 4 letters.
Or quadruplet.
Yep. Okay, so quor or quad means 4.
Or
What else do we know?
Pent.
Pent means what?
5.
Pent means 5. Because a pentagon has 5 sides, right?
And a mono means
Mono means
like
1.
Uno, it has like Uno. I played Uno. It has mono.
Okay, mono means 1. So if a word, excuse me. If I have a monosyllable word, that means it has 1 syllable in it. Okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right, we've got some other prefixes that we're going to work with today. So first thing I want you to do is echo these words and see if you can figure out what the prefix is. Misfit. Misspell. Misconduct. What do you think the prefix is? Miss. Okay. Prefix mis means wrong. For example, misfit means it fits wrong. It's the wrong size. Misspell means you spelled it wrong. And misconduct means wrong or improper behavior. What about these words? Recall. Refresh. Reuse. What prefix do you use?
You redo something.
Okay.
Thank you.
Prefix re means again or backward. For example, to recall means to call back to an earlier time. The word refresh means to become fresh again. And to reuse means to use again. So, let's see if we can code all of these. What was the prefix in these again? Miss. And I code those with a box. So let's put our boxes on these. Now, what else do we need to do for this first word? Marcus?
Put a reeve on the eye.
Okay.
That's it.
That's not it.
No, there's an accent.
That-
Put an accent on the first.
On the first, so misfit. Right? Good. Rhythm, what am I going to do on this word? Okay. Okay?
And accent goes in.
The first or the second?
Second.
So misspell. Yeah, sounds good to me. Jason, what am I going to do on this word?
Put a K back on the C
Which one?
first
Okay,
and second.
good.
Put a V under the O, C under the N and D, and a V under the U.
Okay,
Divide it in between the two syllables.
between the two consonants.
Yeah.
Okay, then what am I going to do with my vowels?
Put a schwa above the O.
A schwa?
Put a brave above the U.
Okay, where should I put my accent?
First syllable.
On miss or on the first syllable of the root word?
First syllable of the root word.
Okay, so let's read this. Misconduct.
No.
No.
What do you think I need to change?
The accent
Where am I going to put the accent?
on the first syllable.
On the miss?
Yep.
Okay. So misconduct.
No.
Okay, what do I need to change?
I think she has the brave on the U.
What would I change it to? It's followed by a consonant, so there's not really a whole lot else I can do with that. What about this O? What could I change that to?
A brave.
Okay, let's try that. And you want to leave the accent there, or should we move it somewhere while we're at it?
Leave it there.
Leave it there, okay? So we'll try breathe. Misconduct.
No.
Yes.
No.
Okay, what do I need to change?
The accent.
Where am I moving the accent to?
The last syllable.
The very end? Misconduct. Let's try what last place can we try?
Con.
Okay, misconduct.
Yes.
There we go, misconduct. So wrong behavior.
I thought it was
Okay.
misconduct.
No, misconduct.
Oh.
I am impressed though, Jacelyn, because I've told you guys before that a lot of times if you have C-O-N or C-O-M, that makes a schwa sound. So that was a good thing to try first. But in this particular word, it didn't quite work for us. All right, so then what was the prefix in these three?
Re.
Re. So let's box those.
I don't remember learning that.
All right, Jaden, what am I going to do for this first one? A breathe? What am I going to do on the C? Okay. And where's my accent going to go? Okay, so recal.
Is it recall or resell?
Does an A ever say eh?
No.
No. So what do you think? What do we need to do, Jaden? What does an A before L say? Two dots, because A before L says ah. So let's try that. Recall.
Yes.
There we go. Okay. This word here, Jacob, help me out.
Breathe over the E.
Okay.
Put an accent above the ball.
Okay.
Underline SH.
Underline SH. So refresh.
Yes.
Yes.
Is that how we say that?
No.
Or would you say refresh?
Refresh. When Jacob heard it, it sounded, made it sound like
Do
it.
the
Refresh.
Refresh.
So accent at the end. Refresh. Okay, we got one more. Maya, help me out.
Cross out the E. And then cross over the U. And put a line through the S.
Okay. That didn't
Which syllable?
do right. Where I need to. Where does my accent go?
Still there. Or still.
On the re. So reuse.
No. No.
At the end.
Reuse.
Reuse.
Yes.
Very good. All right, we're going to practice spelling and coding some words with your new prefixes today. So let's get started.